Hello lovelies, you're all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Guys, come in, let us make this yummy healthy chicken recipe. You are going to love this. Guys, don't fry your chicken anymore. You don't need oil to fry your chicken. Make it in this healthy way and you're going to love the taste and you're going to stay healthy. Let's get started. That is my well-washed chicken. I'm using hard chicken. You can use soft chicken, it doesn't matter. That is the ginger, onions and garlic cloves I'll be using today. Okay guys, that is that. Now the remaining seasoning, that's rosemary, that is oregano, thyme and basil. Okay, those are the ingredients I'll be using. Now I'll be cutting these vegetables now for easy blending. I'm going to blend them. I'm going to turn them to puree. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so now. Follow, like, share, comment. I appreciate them all. God bless you. So guys, after that, you transfer them into your blender. Okay, transfer it into your blender. We're going to mix it together and now add those herbs, your garlic, your oregano, rosemary and all other ingredients I've just shown to you. Add them into it and add some water, okay, for easy blending as well. Mix everything together, blend it, let it be well blended. Okay, so now pour it into the well-washed chicken. I'll be adding bay leaves into this, salt, seasoning, my seasoning cube. Yeah, so all you need to do at this stage is for you just to combine thoroughly. Don't add water at this stage. We added a little bit water to our mixture for easy blending. Remember, that should be okay. Don't add water now. Combine together. And all you need to do now is to cover and simmer for 20 minutes. Don't forget to stir every now and then. Okay, so guys, after 20 minutes, if you are using soft chicken, you're not going to need to add any water to this, all right? But if you're using hard chicken, you definitely need to add water because it takes time to get it cooked. Okay, because we need to cook this until they get soft. So add water if needed if you're using hard chicken and boil till soft. All right, boil till soft. So guys, this is what I have after 45 minutes, around 40 to 45 minutes. This is how my chicken came out. It's super yummy. All right, so in our way now is it that you fry it or you grill it, but no, we don't need to fry our chicken anymore. Just get your air fryer at this stage, transfer it into your air fryer. This is so easy guys, and you're going to love it. It's going to reduce some oil from cholesterol from this chicken, and you're going to have your perfect chicken. All right, now here fry the first side for 8 minutes under 200 centigrade. Just 8 minutes if you the first side. All right, okay, so let's air fry it. After 8 minutes, guys, this is how it came out. This is what I have. All right, we have not done yet. It's now time to flip. Okay, now flip it. Please don't forget to turn on your notifications, please. So guys, now it's now time to air fry the second side just for 5 minutes under 200 centigrade. Okay, just for 5 minutes. All right, so tra-la-la. After that, this is what we have. This is what we have. This is super perfect. Looks so yummy. Look at the golden color. It's shining and it is mouth watering. It is stress-free and tastes super. Try this. You can serve this like this. You can add it to your stew. You can add it to your soup, or you just use it to drink garri this way. It is not bad. Serve it with jollof rice or fried rice. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.